Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about installing Scarlet on iPhone, also installing IPA files on iPhone without your PC. So what will you need for this process? Of course, you're going to need an iPhone running with iOS 17 and 18 and above. You're going to need also a stable internet connection, your Safari browser, and no jailbreak required. Now let's get for step 1. You're going to see here is avoid using Chrome or other browsers for this process. Only Safari, alright? Now you want to launch Safari browser and then visit Scarlet's official source, which is going to be this link right here. Alright? Alternative third-party installer is going to be UpHub, TwickHome, and TopStore, but this one right here will do the trick. Now make sure to avoid any fake duplicates or websites right there, and basically click on Install and download Scarlet. And once installed, go to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. You're going to tap on Scarlet Profile and then Install. You're just going to need to enter your device passcode and confirm installation by tapping Install again. You're going to need to make sure your app is trusted on your phone. And basically that's how you install Scarlet. Now, how to talk about installing IPA files using Scarlet. Now, of course, you're going to need to launch the Scarlet app, browse and add the IPA files you're looking for. To upload, you need to download the desired IPA files from a trusted website, again using Safari and not any other website. Now for step 3, we're going to install the IPA, tap the IPA file inside Scarlet, and basically install it and let it finish the process. Now basically that's it. Now these are going to be the troubleshooting tips I can give for you. So the application installing, we're going to refer for Scarlet for this one. Just reboot your device and retry. Also, you're using Safari, again not any browser. So if your profile is not installing, something's Apple signing up, wait and try again later for an alternative profile host, because sometimes Apple gives up alternative profile hosts. And basically for this one, important note to take note of, Apple may revoke your certificate at any time, causing Scarlet and installed applications to stop working. Use this only for educational purposes, avoid piracy and untrusted IPAs. Do not use this other than educational purposes. Again, just a reminder, download for verified and safe sources only. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.